If you're in Manipal and thinking about joining a dance studio, there's one you should definitely check out. It's called Let's Nacho and it's become a favorite spot for the folks of Manipal who love to dance. In this video, we'll see what it has to offer and hear from the dancers about their experience.
What inspired you to come and join in Let's Nacho Manipal?
I have been searching for a dance class since long time. So I came across Let's Nacho on Instagram. So basically I started liking their choreographies. I am currently doing a PhD, so a little free time I thought I would spend for dance.
What is the first impression of it?
As I said, the choreographies were very beautiful. Once I joined here, I found Monica ma'am very friendly.
And how it is really helping you during your PhD times, how it is actually helping you out?
Okay, so the thing is we always feel that we should only do our thesis or our PhD related works, but we should also find some time for whatever we like to do also. That realization should come from the beginning itself. So I think if you put a little effort here and do whatever you like, you can put extra energy there and do a better work, I feel. Here there is so much of energy, so much of good choreographies you can learn. You will have a good time here. These 1 to 2 hours which I spend here on alternate days, it is very fun and it gives me extra energy to work for the rest of the day.
Initially, I was a classical dancer, and only for 5 years I've learned classical dancer. And due to many reasons and circumstances, I had to leave in classical, and then I shifted here. But then I was searching where can I learn to dance and continue my passion. But then after a lot of research, I found out that I have some class going on in Manipal, and then I was very excited to join, and I called Monica ma'am, and she said that it's there for 3 days a week and so much is the fees, and I was really excited to come. And from that day I feel so bad, or I feel very sad when there is no class. She already whenever she wants to take leave, she takes leave for 1 week saying she has her cousin's marriage. That time we'll be like, oh my god, she's doing it again, I don't want to miss. So it's like that. It's fun coming to class. I want everybody in Udupi or Mangalore to join this class so that it will make them feel relaxed and good dancing with Monica ma'am and Akshay sir. After I started working, I was very lazy. I go to office, I come back. That's all what was happening. So I was going to gym. So it was only gym. It was not that fun. It was just fitness. So I wanted to enjoy also. So I am very active these days. I feel like not sitting at home. I don't want to sit at home. It's whenever we have shoot, we will be very excited to come. Choosing the costumes, which costume to wear for which dance, which song. So it's very fun. I've been very, very active.
So if someone comes to Manipal,
Okay,
as a fresher, so what do you suggest regarding dance and fitness?
Definitely, I would suggest to come here first and take a class from Monica ma'am, so it's worth coming. And also, we have a Zumba also class here. Akshay sir takes that class. Even he's very energetic in that. So definitely, if person is into fitness or also wants to dance, learn dancing, so I would definitely suggest them to come to this. At least take a trial class, and I'm sure they will continue coming here, which I also did at the initial. Because it's not just taking 1 hour of your time, but it's also relaxing, doing something not from normal work or day-to-day life, coming here and relaxing, dancing, learning new things, meeting new people, and even we'll get exposure to some other stage performances also, and relaxing again, as I said. So I think definitely this is the first I would suggest them to come.
Any memorable experience you can share quickly if I ask you about Let's Nacho Manipal?
Experiences, or I could say growth in myself, which actually gave me a good happiness. Before I used to just dance reels and all, and I used to not choreo by myself or learn some steps by myself. But after coming Monica ma'am's class, I think I'm learning to do steps by myself and choreo that. So that's something really I'm happy about. Which I've been in other studios also. I've gone previous to this, but after coming here I got that confidence to learn by myself and shoot that. So that is something really I'm happy about, and I would never forget this that she thought that made me do that first.
So hi Manipal things, I'm Ananya and I am in Let's Nacho studio. I joined Let's Nacho in 2024 in October, so in the coming October it will be 2 years. So I was searching for a dance studio for a very long time, and then my sister suggested, she searched for me me and that there's a studio near Central Park that's Let's Nacho, and then I thought maybe let's just try it out. So I tried a trial class a week after she told, and then she was like, let's just try it out. And since I'm very passionate about dancing, I just came here, and then I remember that time Chutte Malik choreography was going on. The whole studio was full. I did not have a place to stand, but somehow I managed, and the other day was my shoot. It was a beautiful experience and it was something I still remember and cherish. Uske baad se my Let's Nacho ka journey started, and I started coming regularly, and it was an amazing experience till date. And even if for a week I did not come, it feels very weird that I'm missing something. It's a beautiful journey. I got to meet so many people, and I got to learn a lot from them. I go out on dinner dates, lunch dates with them, and I got to know a lot about others' perspective. I got to know a lot about Manipal as such. I got to know more about Akshay, more about Monica. It was something very beautiful. Let's Nacho, since I have experienced only Let's Nacho and I've seen a lot of other studios, Let's Nacho is something where I find my comfort zone. There is a comfort zone and there is some space where I look forward after my hectic days. I look forward to come to the studio and get my stress out and all. Let's Nacho is just amazing. Maybe that's more, but yeah, can't do less. Very close to the instructors, Akshay and Monica. Monica started this studio, and initially I got to know her and her content, and then it was very easy to build rapport with her, get to know her style, her moves. So it was very, easily connectable for me. And then gradually I joined hip hop as well. Then I joined Zumba, and I got to know Akshay, and I got to know that the many other styles which I'm yet to learn, and I'm very grateful that I learned through him, and I still cherish those memories. So yeah. Oh, I would stop them right here and ask them ki just stop here. Your search is over. You're at the right place, at the right studio, at the right time. This is your time to join Let's Nacho, and yeah, I would just ask them to be here.